Okay, boys and girls, I'm about to save your day. We have to pull off the drive on the SM100. We just succeeded in pulling it off right here. That's how badly worn it was, 880 hours. Here's what's inside. That's the key that holds it in place. It rusts in. We did spray LED about 20 minutes ago. Still gets stuck on there. We banged on it for a while with one of these hammers. Get yourself a bigger sledgehammer if you can. We threw a chain on the bucket with the excavator to pull it off. We were pulling initially and the whole machine slides over. So if you can, secure it to something else on the opposite side when you do this, you'll have much more success. Do that. We tried to jerk it initially, didn't work. Kept banging on it with the hammer for about 15-20 minutes of non-stop banging where you think nothing's ever going to work and you're about to quit and hate your life, but then it just pops off. So have fun. This one we didn't even have to pull off. We just banged the shit out of it. And it's coming out. There you go. Easy as that. That's it. You've got your key right here. That's what's holding it in place. And all this rust on the back side. Then once you put the new one in, looks like this. I don't have any new cotter pins. I used my trailer hitch pin, but make sure you get yourself some new pins. And good to go. Oh, by the way, if you don't know, you release the grease here. Unscrew that. That releases all the grease. Retighten, re-grease to tighten track. Here's another little trick we learned. With the nut right there, you get one of these pipe wrenches, hook it on, and let it hit your weight kit if you got one. If you don't, your SOL. And then just drive it in reverse on this side, forward on the other side. And it'll drive the pipe wrench into the kit and pull that nut off for you. The size is over 50. 50 is as big of a socket that I have. It looks like it's a 52 or 54. And then back to pulling this off.